Alright guys, let's talk about some word problems today. Your favorite, right? Alright, so we're going to write equations and inequalities from a word problem today. So let's look at number one. It says a fitness center offers yoga classes for $10 per class and sells yoga mats for $19.95. A person paid a total of $139, so that's the total, to the fitness center for yoga classes and a mat. So they bought both of them, right? Find the number of yoga classes the person took. Alright, so I want to know what my variable is. We're going to denote my variable as the number of yoga classes. So it says find the number of yoga classes. Alright, so it says offers yoga classes for $10 per class. So 10 times X, the number of classes that I'm taking. And they also sell a yoga mat for $19.95, but I've only got to buy a yoga mat one time. So that's only going to be a one-time cost. I paid a total of that much money, so that's going to be equal to that puppy right there. Now, solving for X. So first thing I need to do is subtract this $19.95. 120 is equal to 10X. Last step, divide by 10. You get X equals 12. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that you took 12 yoga classes. Let's look at number two. It says the capacity of small children's swimming pool is at most 136 gallons of water. There are currently 15 gallons of water in the pool. You're filling the pool with water at a rate of 2 gallons per minute. How many minutes can you fill the pool before it overflows? So how many minutes? So it's telling me my variable there. So X is going to be equal to the number of minutes. Okay, so at most 106 gallons of water. So something is going to be at most. That means this has to be less than or equal to. At most 106, meaning it cannot go over 106. Otherwise, it's going to flow out the top of the pool, right? It's going to overflow. So this is my capacity of the pool. Okay, well, let's look at this. It says there are currently 15 gallons of water in the pool. So we're starting off with 15, and we're filling it at a rate of 2 gallons per minute. So plus 2 gallons times the number of minutes that I'm filling. So 15 gallons plus 2 gallons per minute that I'm filling cannot go over 106, otherwise it's going to overflow. Alright, so now, here is an inequality, so we're going to solve for X, right? Subtract 15 on both sides. And we get 91 over here. 2X is less than 9 or equal to 91, so divide by 2. So you get X is less than or equal to 45.5, right? Okay, so now, can we have a half a minute or 0.5 of a minute? Yes and no. Okay, so X is going to be equal to, so how many minutes can you fill the pool before it overflows? You can only fill it for 45 minutes. If you go to minute number 46, it's going to overflow. We got to round down, right? Let's go to number three. Number three, currently you have 80 bucks and your sister has 145. Well, what the heck? How come she got more money than me? All right, you decide to save $6 each week while your sister decides to spend $7 each week. That sounds like a lady right there. How long will it be before you and your sister have the same amount of money? So when it says the same amount, I want them equal to each other. All right, I have 80 bucks, and I'm adding to that because I'm saving $6 each week. So 6 times the number of weeks. We're going to say X is equal to weeks. That's good. That's me, right? That's my money. Okay, my sister, she's got 145 bucks, but she is spending. So she is spending $7 each week. So minus 7X. All right, so I've got a variable on both sides. Let's solve for my variable. I'm going to add 7X to both sides, make it positive. So you get 13X. 80 plus 13X equals 145. All right, now I want to move to 80, so subtract 80 on both sides. I want to get the numbers together. So we get 13X is equal to, 65. Quick math in my head. Last step, divide by the number, the coefficient. So X equals 5 weeks.